Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security section, then go to the fingerprint, then select your backup screen lock method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll select PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN, then you have to confirm it, then select if you want to see notifications on a lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, you can show any notifications at all. Tap next, then find a fingerprint sensor which is located here on the power button. So all you need to do is to just slightly tap power button with your finger several times, just like this, in order for it to remember your fingerprint. So you just do it like this, and fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without entering any PIN code by just slightly touching power button, and device will be instantly unlocked, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.